Learn Gujarati fast. The man is here too.
શું એ શૌચાલય છે?
Welcome to Gujarati with zero panic. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through a tiny comedy of confusion, pointing, and one very sleepy child. Listen, smile, and repeat out loud with confidence. Our cast is simple. A mysterious man appears, a woman stands somewhere over there, a child is running out of battery, and you are trying to find the right door without accidentally entering a broom closet. First phrase. The man is here. In Gujarati, say.
માણસ અહીં છે.
Next. The woman is there. Say.
સ્ત્રી ત્યાં છે.
And now the tiny drama. The child is tired. Say.
બાળક થાક્યું છે.
Already, you sound smarter than a confused tourist with 3 maps and no idea. Scene 1. Pointing like a pro. Let's make the scene visual. You point near you, then far away, and suddenly you are doing real Gujarati. You look beside you and announce proudly.
માણસ અહીં છે.
Translation. The man is here. Then you point across the room with dramatic detective energy.
સ્ત્રી ત્યાં છે.
Translation. The woman is there. Notice the location contrast.
અહીં.
Means here, and
ત્યાં.
means there. Near you.
અહીં.
Far from you.
ત્યાં.
Mini drill. Repeat after me.
માણસ અહીં છે. સ્ત્રી ત્યાં છે.
Nice. No binoculars required. Scene 2. The child needs a nap. Now we add feelings, because language gets easier when someone in the story is adorably exhausted. Imagine a child who played all day, climbed everything, asked 900 questions, and is now blinking like a phone at 1%. You say.
બાળક થાક્યું છે.
That means, the child is tired. Say it again.
બાળક થાક્યું છે.
Perfect. If your voice became softer automatically, congratulations, your brain has accepted the bedtime mood. Scene 3. The door mystery. You are now outside a building with several doors. Naturally, at least one of them is wrong. You point to a big formal-looking door and ask.
શું એ પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે?
Meaning, is that the entrance? Maybe someone answers.
હા, એ પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે.
Yes, that is the entrance. Key word.
પ્રવેશદ્વાર.
Means entrance. It is a wonderful word. It sounds important because it is. It leads to places. Repeat the whole question.
શું એ પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે?
Excellent. You may now enter dramatically. Scene 4. The more urgent door mystery. Now we move from elegant travel language to the phrase that can truly save a day. You are in a station, a mall, or a building designed by someone who apparently hates signs. You spot a door and ask, with focus and dignity.
શું એ શૌચાલય છે?
That means, is that the toilet? Again.
શું એ શૌચાલય છે?
This is not just language learning. This is survival with excellent pronunciation. Quick dialogue drill. Let's put everything into a mini-story. You listen first, then repeat your favorite lines. A. Where is the man? B.
માણસ અહીં છે.
A. Where is the woman? B.
સ્ત્રી ત્યાં છે.
A. Why is the room suddenly quiet? B.
બાળક થાક્યું છે.
A. We found a giant door. B.
શું એ પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે?
A. We found another door and now this feels urgent. B.
શું એ શૌચાલય છે?
Tiny quiz, big glory. You are up. Answer in your head or out loud. Bonus points if you sound like a confident movie hero. How do you say, the man is here? Answer.
માણસ અહીં છે.
How do you say, the woman is there? Answer.
સ્ત્રી ત્યાં છે.
How do you say, the child is tired? Answer.
બાળક થાક્યું છે.
How do you say, is that the entrance? Answer.
શું એ પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે?
How do you say, is that the toilet? Answer.
શું એ શૌચાલય છે?
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned useful Gujarati with location, people, and essential door-based wisdom. Today you practiced.
માણસ અહીં છે. સ્ત્રી ત્યાં છે. બાળક થાક્યું છે. શું એ પ્રવેશદ્વાર છે?
And.
શું એ શૌચાલય છે?
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your Gujarati grow one funny little sentence at a time.